Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. How you doing today? And my never-ending search for updates for you. I have to talk again about this one, Hurricane Florence. Right now they're calling it tropical disturbance or tropical storm Florence, but she is going to become a hurricane. And of course the popular notion is that cruisers, novice cruisers, think that cruise ships are going to be into this kind of nonsense, and that's just not going to happen. Cruise ships do not go to areas like this when there's a hurricane going on. They avoid it like like the plague. These are the pictures that you and I see on our televisions because it makes for great news coverage and great ratings. And of course we get the satellite shots too from outer space where we'll see shots like this. They'll show us the hurricane and where it might go and not go. Right now Florence is heading west to the US. It may turn north just before it gets there, but we do know this. It is impacting right here, Bermuda, already. This storm has not even touched Bermuda. It's still sunny in Bermuda, but cruises are being canceled and diverted away from Bermuda. They're heading here to Nassau. They're heading to Great Stirrup Key in the Bahamas. Cruise ship lines are experts at avoiding hurricanes and giving travelers this kind of an experience. If you're on a cruise ship this coming week, you're going to be looking at this kind of environment. Clear skies, calm seas, warm weather, absolutely what you bargained for. It may not be exactly where you thought you were going to be, but it's going to be in the Caribbean or somewhere safe, and you're not going to be exposed to the wacky weather that we're going to be watching at home on TV for the next week or two. A couple of bits of news today. Carnival came out with an announcement that the Pride cruise ship has changed its itinerary, and they have also offered all passengers a 25% onboard credit, or actually a future credit against a future cruise, good till March 7, 2020. So if you're on that ship, you're getting a 25% discount on a future cruise, your choice, good until 2020. On the Grandeur of the Seas, that's a Royal Caribbean cruise, they're doing, I think, a pretty good deal here. They're offering a 50% onboard credit for what you paid for your base fare on the cruise. So if you were taking a balcony room for $600 for the week, you and your traveling companion will each get a $300 onboard credit to spend on the ship as you please. And on top of that, they're throwing you another 50% credit against a future cruise. In other words, it's a free cruise. Enjoy this one, even though it's not going to where you thought it was going. Stay on it for the cruise. And next time, here's 50% off. Again, what you paid for this cruise, we'll apply it to your next cruise. We are sorry. The cruise line doesn't have to do this. It's not the cruise's fault that there's a hurricane in the Atlantic, but it's their gesture of goodwill to their passengers. And believe me, this goes over big time with cruisers. They love it. More cruise lines should be this aggressive with credits. Other cruise lines being shifted around. The Carnival Horizon is moving its itinerary a little bit this week. So is the Norwegian Dawn and the Norwegian Escape. I'll keep you posted on updates as we keep these stories coming, folks. Join me today, Monday to Friday at 5 in the afternoon for updates Eastern Time. Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, we talk cruise ships, and we'll keep you posted on what's going on. Have a good day, everybody. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.